Hi friends, it's Mariz. In this quick video, I will show you step by step how to create a bar chart in Tableau. So today we will learn how to create both the vertical and horizontal bar chart along with some bonus customization tips to make your charts clearer and interactive. So let's get right into it. So let's start by connecting to our data source. And then select the Microsoft Excel or CSV file. In this video, I'm using the sample file sales data. You can also download the same file from the description below. And then I'll just click open. And now our data has been loaded. Now we can start creating our bar chart. So I will go to sheet 1. So first, let's create the vertical bar chart. I'll just name our sheet vertical bar chart. So to create our vertical bar chart, I will drag the sales into our rows shelf. Next, I will drag the segment into the columns shelf. And there you go. Now we have the vertical bar chart showing the sales per segment. Now to maximize our view of the chart, I will just switch to entire view instead of standard. So here's a bonus tip. If you want to show the labels, you can just drag the sales into the label mark. And then another bonus, if you want to customize the color of your bar chart per segment, you can just also drag the segment into the color. Now let's move on to creating the horizontal bar chart. So I'll just create another sheet and then name the sheet horizontal bar chart. So to create our horizontal bar chart, I will just drag the sales into the columns shelf. Next, I'll drag the product into the rows shelf. So now we can see the sales per product in horizontal bars. Now here's a bonus tip. For example, we want to sort our bar chart so that the top selling products are shown at the top. So to do that, I will just click on the arrow down button on the product pill, scroll down and select sort. Then you will see this pop-up window. So for under sort by, I will just select field. Next, for the field name, by default, it's already sales, but if not, don't worry, you can just scroll down and find sales. And then the aggregation is sum, which is already correct. And then for the sort order, by default, it's ascending. That's why our chart looks like this. Let's just change it to descending. And there you go. Now our chart is sorted by top selling products. I'll just select entire view again. So here's a bonus. Earlier, we looked at the sales per segment for the vertical bar chart. Now for the horizontal bar chart, let's make it interactive and make a filter for the segment. So to do that, I will just drag segment into the filter shelf. And then this pop-up window will appear. Just select all and then click OK. Next, I will select the drop-down arrow button on the segment and select Show Filter. Now we can see our filter here. Check out my other tutorials to learn more about Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.